So there is one last thing we need to do to get everything in order, and that is we want to add a custom domain to our funnel. So if you come to your funnels now, if you come to the settings here, you see that we still have this domain, and this domain was the default or is the default domain that comes with system.io. So we want this domain to be our own custom domain. And the way to do that is you want to come to your settings here. So you want to come to the custom domains. Come here, you come to click select domain, and you put the domain that you want to add. Make sure that the domain has this www. All right, after that, you click on save. If you click on save, it's going to give you the instructions to add this domain to actually verify that you own the domain. So what we want to do now is we want to go back to our domain name. I want to create this new records. So if you come to your domain name, you just want to find where you have your DNS and you want to add a DNS record. So if you come here, I'm using Namecheap in this case, but the process is the same. You just want to add a record. So you come here, you click on add a new record. We are going to add a CNAME record. So you click on CNAME and you come back here. You want to select only this www. This is the only thing you need from here. Do not copy this website name, only the www without the dots. You come back here, you post it here as the hosts, and then the target value, you want to come back here and you want to now copy everything you have here. So this is going to be your value. So you want to come back and you want to put it right here. You click on save. So again, you want to add a CNAME record again, and you come back here. So you want to copy just from here, from the last F here. So you don't copy from the dots to the website, you just copy from the beginning to the last stuff before the dot here. You come back again, this is going to be the hosts, and then you come back for the last time and you copy everything from here, and you want to come here and add it again, and you click on save changes. So we are basically done, and now we just have to wait a while. So as you can see, it's pending the verification. You just want to give it some time to verify it. So sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes less, sometimes more, sometimes even up to an hour. So after some time, this domain has now been verified and now it is ready to use. This simply means we can now turn it into our main domain. So you can actually come here, click on these three dots, make it or mark it as your domain by default. So it's going to automatically change all your domains in your funnels. All right. Or you can just come to your sales funnels here. If you come here, click on this, click on the settings again, and you should be able to select the website here. So you click on it and you can now use your custom domain across your funnels and across all the pages you build using system.io. So this is how you verify and add a custom domain to your system.io account.